subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei sub-brand Honor is reportedly gearing up to launch its new lower mid-range smartphone called Honor 10x Lite. And before the launch, the renders and key specifications of the smartphone has surfaced online by a German tech site WinFuture. According to leaks, the Honor 10x Lite will support a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a hole punch at the top center that will house an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will feature a quad camera setup in squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad rear cameras will include a 48-megapixel main camera along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Kirin 710A chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage with microSD expansion support. As per the software, the handset will run on Android 10 based on Magic UI 3.1 skin on top. The device will come equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery that will support 22.5 watts fast charging. And additionally, the smartphone will also feature an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. Talking about the pricing, the Honor 10x Lite is expected to price around €200 and it will be available in black and green color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Honor 10x Lite smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.